How you doing, people? Hope you're well. Haven't posted for a while, just on holiday at the moment. But I just wanted to let you know about this workout. A standard sort of format, but why it is so good for longevity, for cardio, for strength. Full body just incorporates everything. As well, you can do it anywhere if you're on holiday. No equipment required, just so convenient. And I know there's a lot of these type of workouts around, but if you haven't had a go at this type of format of circuit, sort of HIIT training, definitely worth a go. But of course, if you haven't done HIIT training before, you don't have to go crazy at zone 4, zone 5, killing yourself. You can grade yourself up to that more vigorous intensity. Vigorous intensity exercise is very important, but if you haven't done it before, grade your way up. Start off nice and steady and just occasionally raise the intensity. Going from zone 2 to zone 3, maybe have a finisher in zone 4. Just build yourself up steadily to get familiar with that level of intensity. Okay, so this particular workout is 30 seconds lunge jumps, 15 seconds rest. They're a little bit hard at the moment, you can always mix them up with normal lunges. But lunge jumps get the benefit of slight impact for bone density and more dynamic power. Will really strengthen your legs. So after your 15 seconds rest, go into squat jumps, another plyometric exercise. Good benefits of bone density because it's a jump. Great combination with the lunge jumps as well for your legs. 15 seconds rest. Then you go into push-ups, classic routine for upper body. 15 seconds rest. 30 seconds jumping burpees, again another plyometric exercise. Either a normal jump or sometimes I jump up and kick my heels to my backside to get a more dynamic jump. Again, you've got the impact for bone density and it's a real tester on the legs. 15 seconds rest. 30 seconds knee to elbow sit-ups or bicycle crunches. The type of bicycle crunches I do are a little bit harder because you're more raised up. Just feel your way into them. Some people prefer other types of sit-ups. I'm a big advocate of the knee to elbow sit-ups and get the twist, your elbow going to the outside of the alternate knee. That way you get a bigger twist and it really gets the obliques. I usually mix those up, round 1, round 2, sometimes knee to elbow, sometimes bicycle crunches. 15 seconds rest and then 30 second star jumps. That's one round, you then get a minute's rest and you do 5 rounds of that. Now 5 rounds will take you 25 minutes, but you could do 4 rounds for 20 minutes. But when I talk about this being a longevity workout, it's because it basically ticks all the boxes. Cardiovascular with the vigorous high intensity. There's jump work for the legs to build the bone density, plyometrics and dynamic power. Core work with the sit-ups, although you're using your core in all the exercises. And of course, upper body with the push-ups. And if you go hard enough on those push-ups, you can make them testing whatever level you're at. And that's it, job done. If there are other days when you do get to the gym and you want to supplement with a few extra weights, then that's fine. But as a standard sort of workout that you can do anywhere, is convenient and time efficient, and also crucially develops functional fitness because you're moving your body in different ways, these are second to none. So the link to this particular workout, I'll put in the top right there. And you can follow along to that one if you want. It's got all the timings, etc. My 28-day workout plans incorporate a lot of these types of circuits, building someone up sensibly through potentially 3 timelines. Timeline 1, timeline 2, timeline 3 get progressively more difficult, and timeline 3 does involve pull-ups and dips as well. And those also combine with email communication with myself for advice or customization on anything, accountability. Getting a lot of people doing them at the moment, so I'm doing quite a bit of emailing. Okay. Give it a try. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.